Hey guys, welcome to IT Contents channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 9 amazing shortcuts that you can use on the Linux terminal to improve your performance. So I'm using Kali Linux, but any Linux distribution should work. Okay, so you just want to quickly open up a terminal, and for first shortcut, auto completion. So for example, if you start typing a command, for example, PO like that, then you want to see all the commands that start with that, you can easily press tab. And as you can see, that should give you a list of all the commands, as you can see from here. So here you can easily press tab, and as you can see, you should have this. You should be able to move, and you can easily select the command that you want. So tab helps you to just quickly see any auto completion. And for a second example, as you can see, I've made our terminal dirty here, as you can see. So if you want to easily clear your terminal so that you can have a nice clean work environment, you can just press the Control key with L. That will easily clear your screen. So as you can see, Control L will just help you clear your terminal to a brand new working environment, as you can see from here. And for third shortcut, if you're someone who usually uses a Linux terminal a lot and you type in commands a lot and you might have forgotten a command, but you know how it goes or how it starts, you can easily use the shortcut, which is Ctrl+R, as you can see, to bring this search. So here you can easily search for commands that you previously typed, as you can see from here, to check from your history. So it's just a matter of you typing and to show you all the ones that you have. So for example, that I can just press enter, and as you can see, I can use that command very easily. So you can use the Ctrl+R command, like we said, to search for any command that you previously typed which is in your history. So Ctrl+C, that will just cancel it, and Ctrl+L will just clear our screen again. And for our fourth command, you'll find it mostly useful. So for example, I've got some command that I've typed here. Instead of using the arrow keys to move left to right, as you can see, since I want to go to the beginning of the command itself, I can easily use the command which is Ctrl+A. As you can see, that will take me to the beginning of the command itself. So for example, even if I was here anywhere, I can just press Ctrl+A. That will take me to the beginning of that command itself. But what if I want to go to the last part of the command? I can also use the shortcut, which is Ctrl+E. That would go to the last section of the command, as you can see from there. This usually helps you out a lot, and it helps you to avoid using the arrow keys, moving left to right like that. So that's one useful command or shortcut that you can use to improve your productivity. So now again, in terms of deleting commands, as you can see, instead of you again deleting each word by word, for example, using the backspace here, you can easily use this shortcut that will help you delete the whole entire word or the whole entire command sections, for example. So for example, if I press Ctrl+W, as you can see, it has removed the whole entire word. So Ctrl+W is usually used to remove the whole entire word before the cursor itself. So Ctrl+W, that will just continue to remove each word until everything is done if you continue pressing it. So that's also one of the handy and useful shortcuts that you can use on a Linux terminal. Okay, so what if we have a lot of commands that we have typed here, for example, and we want to only remove a certain section of that command? So for example, if I go here on the middle and I press Ctrl+K, as you can see, that will clear anything starting from where the cursor is to the end. So Ctrl+K will only delete where the cursor is to the right, so meaning until the last word. So if I want to remove everything starting from where the cursor is to my left, I have to use Ctrl+U, and that will also clear that for you. So like I said, if we go back here again, if I want to remove anything starting from where the cursor is going to the right, I use Ctrl+K, that will erase that for me. Then if I want to erase everything from where the cursor is to the left, I just need to press Ctrl and U, that will remove everything for us, as you can see from there. And if you're finding this video useful so far, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. And now for our final shortcut, if for example, you've got a command, for example, sudo like that, and I press enter, we usually use the Ctrl+C to terminate task. So for example, something or code that is running. So in this case, this is still running and it's waiting for me to add password. So if I do not want to continue with this, I would just press Ctrl and C. That will terminate that particular execution, as you can see. So that just helps you to abort a specific task. So if you like a video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more Linux tips. See you in the next video.